What is up YouTube? This video we're going to be showing you how to swap a Honeywell RF thermostat for a Nest thermostat. If this video helps, please smash that like button, maybe even subscribe. It is free to do so. Anyway, let's get into it. Firstly, we're isolating the power to the boiler and then testing for depth. We're going to remove the old receiver which is wired into the boiler using a flathead screwdriver, just pushing that up underneath. Flicks off the lid. Now we've revealed the live and neutral from the boiler and the switch cables in black and grey. Removing the old receiver off the wall. Now the customer wants this new Nest thermostat receiver to be closer to the boiler, but it has to be a minimum of 300mm away from the boiler. It's all explained in the manufacturer's instructions. So we're going to shorten this cable. It is a 5-core cable, so we do have an earth in there, although the person who wired up the last thermostat didn't use the earth. So stripping the cables back. Using the Nipex wire stripper. Now I add ferrules onto the onto my fittings just because I find it a much more professional job, and it is actually easier to wire things up. Now I'm just taking off the cable clamp and undoing my connections that I'm going to be using, which is going to be the N and the L, and obviously for neutral and live, and ports 2 and 3 on the Nest. Again, this is in the installation instructions you receive when you buy the Nest. Also, I'm going to be using the earth. Now I'm going to mount the receiver to the wall using the marksman pen, because the holes for the mounting points are really hard to get a pencil in. This just squirts a little shoot of chalk onto the wall, as you can see. I'm going to put the cable clamp back on, ensuring no single strands of single insulated cables are left on show, as you can see now. So if you was to be wiring into a boiler, you'd come off the live and neutral of the boiler, and obviously go into 2 and 3 on the receiver, or the heat link as Nest like to call it. The little yellow link cable you could see inside the boiler is where your black and grey switch wires are coming from. That is on a Baxi boiler. Just unboxed this stand kit that you have to purchase separately from Nest if you don't have a already wired thermostat in your property. This requires a 3-pin plug point. Fairly self-explanatory how you set it up. And the Nest just plugs on top. You're ready to power her up now. Everything else is self-explanatory. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.